Hello, welcome. Question 29, WASSCE 2025 Further Mathematics for Ghanaian students. If Q is a matrix in terms of variables like this, and determinant of Q is 9, we have to find the value of what? X. So this simply means that this matrix, which is now X minus 12 in the first entry, X plus 3, x minus 3, then x minus 6. This determinant of this should be equals to what? 9. So this here and this is a 9. How do we find determinant? It is a product of the leading diagonal, meaning x minus 12 multiplying x minus 6 minus the product of the other diagonal, which is x plus 3, then x minus 3. That should be equals to what? 9. In terms of expansion, x times x, that will give you x squared, x times 6, 12 times x, then minus 12 times minus 6 will give you positive what? 12 minus. If you look at this is the difference of 2 squared. So this is going to be the first term squared minus the second term squared. That will be 3 squared, 9, and that will be equals to 9. Now, this bracket is important because the whole of this product is taken away from the first one. So if you don't bring the bracket before the negative, it will affect only the x squared here. So let's expand further. I'll be having x squared. This will be negative 18x plus, or this is 72, right? Plus 72 equals to negative, no, not equals to, right? Negative x squared, negative, positive 9 equals what? 9. So here we can now group like terms. But remember, x squared minus x squared will cancel. 9, if brought to this place, will become what? 0. So the only thing left will be the negative 18x plus 72 giving you 0, because this 9 comes here as in terms of grouping of like terms. So this will cancel. So now I can now transpose this to have negative 18x equals to negative 72. X will be equals to negative 72 divided by what? Negative 18. But what can I see? This can, the negative will cancel, so I should be having 9 times 8, and this is going to be 9 times 2. So if you check that carefully, this will cancel, this will give you what? 4. So the value of the x we are looking for is 4 as option what? C. I guess concept is clear. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and come for more.